Paso County Coroner's Office has released its annual report for 2022. In it, breaks down the number of people who died from fentanyl and from homicide last year, including the alarming number of deaths within our homeless community. News 5's Eleanor Sheehan in studio for us. And Eleanor, what trends were we seeing over the past couple of years?
There is some promising news in the fight against opioid deaths in El Paso County. The report says the rate of the deadly fentanyl overdoses is slowing. I spoke with the coroner about what these new numbers can tell us about the state of the opioid crisis in our community.
The biggest story of the last several years certainly has been fentanyl. And on that front, there is a little bit of good news, bad news.
The bad news. In 2022, El Paso County had 115 deaths from fentanyl.
The good news, though, is that while it increased once again from 2021 to 2022, that rate of increase, how much it's gone up from one year to the next, is decreasing. And so for 5 years, we essentially doubled. Whatever the year before was, we doubled that with fentanyl.
That's up from 99 deaths in 2021.
Yes, it's an increase. Yes, that's bad. Yes, more people died. But the trajectory that we were on is flattening out.
The number of fentanyl deaths so far in 2023 are similar to this time last year.
That means we are hopefully at the top of the plateau. It means what we're doing is working. It's decreasing the rate of increase.
The coroner credits it to more public awareness.
You can't solve this crisis that we're in with a simple solution of just arrest more people, right? Or just put more Narcan on the street, right? There aren't simple solutions to complex problems. And so everybody from every sector that touches this has to play a role.
He says a combination of public health prevention and law enforcement working together are making the difference. The report also looked at deaths within the homeless community. From 2021 to 2022, the total deaths increased from 78 to 121.
In that 78 death year, we had 7 fentanyls. And then in last year, when we jumped to 2022 and we jumped way up to 121 deaths, there were 35 fentanyls. So we went from 7 to 35.
Kelly says this year the deaths within the homeless community are very similar to last year because of fentanyl.
Dr. Kelly did say the number of homicides among the homeless are down drastically this year. There has been 1 in 2023 compared to 6 that happened last November.